I was uncommon way more no Rakobna minta Akando say or edit to Obi bia or what dance here say ward 23% at the free light wave service contract no moon one famra Obi or what dance here bisa no be judgmano at all.
But I know the consequences of what I'm doing, and we'll make sure that we protect Mother Ghana. I will not allow any blackmailer. What he's doing is blackmail. He has held the whole country to ransom for multiple weeks, and he's veering into blackmail. He drops names as he talks.
Obere Patnama, please.
All the issue is with the security agencies already. Makacho said all the stakeholders are on board. We have the AG on board. Everybody is on board.
If you term the Jumedi as blackmailer and we against Ghana, Obere Patnama, please.
You do why you cross. So I when I work on maintain baby as I say. My demanded 23%.
23%.
I don't mean my demand.
As a case, Kakesi power.
And I'm saying that if he has any evidence, some may problem in Akando, me say, on my me 23% and even 1% of the extension, I say, may resign. I'll resign. Oh, what kind of? You should know that the type of person you are dealing with.